Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube cookery channel. I am Suresh Rao from Cochin. Today I am going to show you a typical Udupi item, that is Chithranna. This Chithranna is very famous in our functions and all. It's a must in each and every function. Chithranna has to be served in each and every leaf. And this is another thing is that this is a rice item, but you can treat this as a major rice item or just a side rice item, whichever way you want. Now, following are the ingredients to prepare Chithranna. It's very easy to prepare. Here I have taken two bowls, that is maybe something around 700 grams of rice, that is Jeera rice. See, Jeera rice. If you make Chithranna out of Jeera rice, it will be really good. So I had done it and already cooked it and kept it ready for preparation. Now following are the ingredients. I have taken little coconut oil, mustard, groundnut, Bengal gram, urad dal, KIsmis and cumin seed. Again 3 green chilli, little curry leaves, salt to taste, turmeric, lime and ginger. These are the main ingredients during preparation of Chithranna. You can add cashew also, but as it is not available right now in my hand, I am not included in my ingredient section. Then nowadays people have started to put green peas and all, but I have not done it, as some people like it but some don't. But these are the usual items for preparation of Chithranna. Now let us see how to prepare Chithranna. Now my pan is preheated and oil also is ready, coconut oil also is ready. Now we'll add first this mustard. Now once the mustard starts bursting, next we will add this groundnut. Now next we will add this Bengal gram. Now next we will add this urad dal. Now next we will add this KIsmis. Now next we will add this cumin seed. Now next we will add this green chilli. This is actually a pure typical Udupi style item. Now we prepare this fried rice, pulao and all, no? This is one style of pulao in our Tulu community. Next I am adding this ginger. Now next we will add this curry leaves. Now next we will add this turmeric powder, salt, our rice which we have already cooked and kept ready. Now you have to sort it properly. As a final step, we are going to add this lime squeezed. This is an easy biryani or fried rice or pulao item in our community. Chithranna. It's really tasty. See, instead of coconut oil, you can use ghee or sunflower and all. But as I am in Kerala, I am using this coconut oil. But you can use ghee also. But usually, we don't add sunflower oil, etc. and all. Either coconut oil or cow ghee. Now, our Udupi style pulao or fried rice or biryani is ready. That is Chithranna. Now, just for garnishing purpose, I am adding little coconut scrape. It gives an added taste to this Chithranna. So I think everybody enjoyed this particular video very much. So please try at least at least once at home, and let me know about your comments upon it through my comment box. So nice to be with you. Good day. Thank you.